So, I got pulled over, and because I honked my horn. And from what I understand, it's not illegal to honk your fucking horn, but for some reason they feel the need that they're allowed to just fucking pull me over because to ask you if I'm okay. Like, give me a fucking break. This shit is ridiculous. So I'm gonna record this just in case he tries to fucking pull a fast one. Such fucking bullshit. I'm not allowed to honk my fucking horn? Like, give me a fucking break. My fucking license got a crack in it. So he's gonna fucking write me a ticket for that. But the whole fucking thing is that, bitch, you pulled me over for no fucking reason because I honked my horn. It's not illegal to honk my horn. What I should have done was not give him my license and registration because you have to have a reason to pull me over for my license and registration. To get my license and registration. Oh, this is such bullshit. Come on, dude. Like, I don't have fucking time for this shit, man. mean, come on, dude.
Alright, so I'm returning your driver's license for registration, okay? Now, there's no ticket here, okay, but I did write a warning and a repair order for the tint, okay?
Okay.
Please watch your use of the horn, because sometimes horns can cause trouble rather than make trouble go away.
No, I understand.
Okay.
I totally understand, but
So,
my whole thing is this. It's not illegal, is it?
It is the way you use it.
Yeah, but how so, man?
It is the way you use it, because
Yeah, but
you cannot honk the horn.
Be honest with me, though. The reason why,
Let me explain this
the
to
reason
you.
why you're pulling me over is because you thought I was honking at you.
Listen to this. Listen to this.
Yeah,
Yes, you can't even honk at me. That's correct.
Yeah, I got you.
If you bump,
I got you.
but I pull
No, I
you over.
understand.
Listen to this.
I
Listen to
understand.
this.
Yes, sir.
So that you don't understand me.
I got
Okay.
you.
I did not pull you over because I thought you were honking at me.
Why'd you pull me over?
I pulled you over because you were honking and because I wanted to know what's going on. I told you when you honked and I tried to look, I couldn't see because it's tinted.
I got you.
Do you know how many times people are molesting people in the vehicle and they see
While
the police
driving,
and they're holding,
molesting people while driving?
assaulting people, killing people
Yeah, but
in the vehicle?
so you think because I honked
Uh-huh.
that now I'm a criminal?
No. I will tell you what I thought.
I just want to. I just want
listen to this. Listen
us
to this.
understand. Yes, sir.
I thought you hung because you needed help.
Oh, I got
what
you.
I'm saying?
No, that makes
You know what I'm saying?
that makes perfect sense.
And now I tried to look to see,
And you couldn't see.
and I couldn't see.
I understand.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
so
sir.
It's not because you're hung. It's not just because we're
I
hung.
got you.
Okay.
I just wanted us to be on the same page. That's
Yeah.
it. That's it.
Okay, just to make you understand. That's all.
No, I got you.
If I thought so, then I'd be writing a ticket. No, but I did not write
I
a
understand.
ticket.
I understand.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
But because the state police will document every stop.
I got you.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, take care of the tint.
Yes, sir.
All right?
I'm gonna rip it all off.
Yeah, it's
either
gonna
way.
be 30. It should be 35% or
Yeah,
lighter.
I think when I bought it, it was
Yeah.
20%.
Yeah, yeah, I can already tell.
But yeah.
All right.
Yes, sir.
But don't misunderstand me.
No, we're
Okay?
good, man. We're good, man. Like I said, I just wanted to be on the same page,
Yes, sir.
man.
All right. So you take care, okay?
You have a good day,
and
man.
Be careful getting back. All
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay.
You see, and then that's that bullshit. Oh no, I pulled you over because literally, you can't make this shit up. I pulled you over because I thought that you were honking because somebody was being molested in your car. I said, what? So you're telling me because I passed you and honked my horn that it was a distress call? And then magically he went to look over, he couldn't see the tent, see through my tent. So, you know, he made it a point he had to pull me over. Well, that's a bunch of bullshit. You pulled me over because you felt some type of way, because when you fucked up traffic, I honked, and you thought I was honking at you when clearly it had nothing to fucking do with you. It had everything to do with the person that wouldn't let me over. It's such bullshit, man. Oh, I pulled you over because, you know, you could have been molesting or killing somebody in the car. I said it while driving? Yeah, exactly, while driving. Like, go fuck yourself, dude. Are you kidding me? It is it's just, it's fucking crazy, the shit that they can do, and the manipulation that they can fucking say to justify why they pulled you over. I mean, that is such bullshit. Thank God he was cool and he was willing to talk to me, because half these motherfuckers out here don't even want to talk to you. They don't want to hear what you got to say. They don't want to hear none of that shit. But thank God he's actually cool enough to be like, look, man, I'm just trying to be honest with you. I said, I'm trying to be honest with you. I said, but he said, you know, you pulling me over for no fucking reason. I said, that doesn't warrant me. That shit doesn't warrant me to give you my fucking license and registration. For what? What crime did I commit? Nothing. Because you assumed that I was molesting somebody in my car. Like, give me a fucking break, yo. That shit is crazy, man. I ain't never in my life seen some shit like that go down. You know, and then I've had this tint on for 6 years. Not to mention, look at my windshield. See that big ass crack? It's been there since last March. All right, you're gonna pull me over for the tint. You're gonna pull me over because you thought I was molesting somebody in the car, and then you're gonna fucking write me what? You wrote me driver use of motor vehicle horn on highway when not reasonably necessary for safety. I've never heard of that. I've never fucking heard of it being illegal to honk your fucking horn. Maybe I need to research, but and also he gave me a fucking repair order. Was it a warning? No, he gave me a repair order on my fucking tint. And that's that bullshit, though. It's just like, you know, if it just irritates the fuck out of me is that they are allowed to assume whatever they want to fucking assume, pull you over, and then now that they got me pulled over, oh, it's let's hit him for whatever the fuck we can hit him with, since he's not doing anything illegal, you know. Hit me with a fucking tint and hit me with using my horn excessively or whatever the fuck it says. Like, I never in my fucking life, man, like the shit that they do, these fucking cops do to fucking create more revenue for them, and it just fucking pisses me the fuck off, man. But luckily, like I said, he was cool. He was, you know, he wasn't fucking ignorant and being nasty with me, and you know, whatever the case is. It just fucking pisses me off that they can do that shit, man. But yet, I can't fucking pull you over and make a citizen's arrest if you're going 90 miles an hour down the fucking highway when it says legal limit is 55 miles an hour. Even a couple times I tried to do that, they flip it on me and try to fucking arrest me for following a cop too close or exceeding the speed limit, you know, while following them. And I'm just like, give me a fucking break, dude. Are you kidding me? Never a fucking dull moment in this world, man. I swear to God. Never a dull fucking moment. Not to mention now there's another one coming up on me. Fucking people piss me the fuck off. Yeah, well, I guess that ends that.